Object of custom type is dictionary key. What must I do to use my objects of a custom type as keys in a Python dictionary, where I don't want the object to act as the key, for example? I'd want to use mythings as keys that are considered the same if name and location are the same. From C#/Java I'm used to having to override and provide an equals and hashcode method, and promise not to mutate anything the hashcode depends on. What must I do in Python to accomplish this? Should I even? In a simple case, like here, perhaps it'd be better to just place a name, location, tuple as key, but consider I'd want the key to be an object.
You need to add two methods, note underscore hash underscore and underscore EQ underscore. The Python dict documentation defines these requirements on key objects, i.e. they must be hashable.
An alternative in Python 2.6 or above is to use collections.nomeduple. It saves you writing any special methods.
You override underscore hash underscore if you want special hash semantics, and underscore semp underscore or underscore EQ underscore in order to make your class usable as a key. Objects who compare equal need to have the same hash value. Python expects underscore hash underscore to return an integer. Returning banana is not recommended. Smile. User-defined classes have underscore hash underscore by default that calls ID self, as you noted. There are some extra tips from the documentation. Classes which inherit a underscore hash underscore method from a parent class but change the meaning of underscore semp underscore or underscore EQ underscore, such that the hash value returned is no longer appropriate, for example by switching to a value-based concept of equality instead of the default identity-based equality, can explicitly flag themselves as being unhashable by setting underscore hash underscore equals none in the class definition. Doing so means that not only will instances of the class raise an appropriate type error when a program attempts to retrieve their hash value, but they will also be correctly identified as unhashable when checking is instance of collections.hashable, unlike classes which define their own underscore hash underscore to explicitly raise type error.
I noticed in Python 3.8.8, maybe ever earlier, you don't need any more explicitly declare underscore EQ underscore and underscore hash underscore to have the opportunity to use your own class as a key in dict. I assume from some time Python manages it on its own, however I can be wrong.